Hey guys, this is Shichan Oppa, and let's learn future tense today. What you do is 을 or 르 거예요. That is future tense. So basically, you put verb stem in front of it and put 을 거예요 or 르 거예요. Let's look at some of the verbs that we use often. 만나다. This is to meet, right? To meet. In this case, you leave out da, and this part is verb stem. And then look at this. And then we're going to combine this and this here. 만나을 거예요 sounds a little off, so we're just gonna use the ending L sound. 만날 거예요. So basically, if the verb stem ended with vowel, we are going to use ending L, and there you go, verb stem. 만나. This is ending with vowel, so we're going to just put ending L, which makes it 만날 거예요. I will meet. Okay, so I will meet Jimin tomorrow. You can say something like 지민이를 만날 거예요. If you wanted to put tomorrow, you can put 내일. 내일 지민이를 만날 거예요. That means I'm going to meet Jimin tomorrow. Right? It's not that hard. 만나다. And what can we do? Okay, to eat. What is to eat in Korean? That's right, 먹다. 먹다. 먹다 is to eat. So 먹 is the verb stem, right? 먹 is verb stem. And then since the verb stem ends with the consonant K, 먹, so we're going to put 을. So what we're going to use is 먹을 거예요. I will eat. So I'm going to eat Big Mac. How do you say that? Big Mac을 먹을 거예요. Okay, Big Mac을 먹을 거예요. That is, I will eat Big Mac. Okay. Recap is future tense is 을 거예요 or 을 거예요. If the verb stem ends with vowel, we're going to put ending L. 만날 거예요. I will meet. And if the verb stem ends with the consonant 먹, and then we're going to put 을 거예요, 먹을 거예요, which will make 만날 거예요 is I will meet, and 먹을 거예요 is I will eat. Okay. This has been Shichan Oppa. If you guys have any questions, leave me the comment below. And I have a premium challenge group on school.com. So check out the link if you're interested. I'm going to leave that link in the comment. Bye.